it's Chriso, step 1 of the bathroom walls. I've got my laser level all the way around. I've marked my marks. I was going to go up that wall first, but in here above the vanity I'm going to be putting in a marble mosaic, and it needs to be in the right position for when the vanity goes in. The vanity is 1200, it'll be going hard against the wall, so I need to do that wall first because I want to be able to cut this at the exact, it'll be starting roughly there at the vanity height and going up there, so I need to have a very accurate cut because I want it to be at the end of the vanity, you know, at the edge going up, so it needs to be in the right place. The vanity will be going hard against that wall, so I need to do that wall first. And we're laughing, so let's just get it done. It's another beautiful day on the Gold Coast. Come apart. Come on. I can turn that off. A laser, people, is the bee's knees these days. The reason why I spread my tiles is because you got less mess. You haven't got glue dropping all over your floor.